Self-priming centrifugal pump UHN series. The internationally patented water-air separating mechanism reaches a maximum vacuum of 6 to 9 meters and displays outstanding self-priming power. Here we can see what happens when we remove the hose from the water and let the air in. A large amount of incoming air can be separated and discharged during pumping. Even if pumping becomes subject to suction or a mixture of air due to fluctuations of suction conditions, it continues pumping, constantly discharging air, and restores normal pumping operation as soon as suction conditions return to normal. Here we can see the ability of our self-priming pump. Even the continuous suction of air containing water is possible. We can now see air and liquid in continuous two-phase pumping. Outstanding self-priming performance even under extreme conditions. Self-priming centrifugal pump UHN series.